Today guys, we are making a different kind of jollof rice recipe, but I added a new twist to it. I'm certain you will love it. So let's get started. For this you need some diced bell pepper, chopped onion, carrots, chicken stock, blended tomato puree, butter, extra virgin olive oil, bay leaves, seasoning cube, curry powder, shrimp powder, thyme, salt, and parboiled rice. Allow your olive oil to slightly heat up on a medium heat before you add the chopped onion and allow it to fry for about 3 minutes. Now add your blended tomato puree and give it a stir to mix. In this video, I will only use blended tomato puree, but you may use canned tomato paste if you desire that. I will allow it to fry for about 12 to 13 minutes so that the water content in it can dry up. So as you can see, the tomato is dried. I'm stirring it all around to make sure it doesn't get burnt under. I will add curry powder, shrimp powder, thyme, salt, and seasoning cube to fry for about 2 minutes. Chicken stock. Add your parboiled rice and ensure that every rice piece is coated with the tomato sauce. I will add little water to ensure the rice is well cooked. And some bay leaf to give it a nice aroma. Cover the pot with aluminium foil to trap the steam in the pot. Then place the lid on top of it and reduce the heat to the lowest. While it's cooking, let's fry the veggie. Add some butter into the frying pan, allow to melt. Then add your chopped onion and let it fry for 2 minutes. Allow it to fry for 2 minutes before adding your carrot and bell pepper. Then mix everything to combine. After that, allow it to stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes to release its nice aroma. Now our rice is ready. I love to remove my bay leaf at this point. And I will add our fried veggies to it, mixing everything all together. So this method of making jollof rice is so delicious, guys. If you have never tried this, please do and let me know what you think. You can also share this with your family and friends. Thanks.